Hi there, today we're going to be painting some leaves for a beautiful study of a hyacinth flower. And what I'm doing right at the beginning of this project is I'm going to give you some tips on drawing and planning for a study like this. And so hopefully that will give you some idea of setting out a composition that you would enjoy doing yourself. So we're also showing you on this project how to paint the hyacinth leaves, which are lovely, broad, stripy, deep green leaves. And so there's some nice processes there of how to layer and how to get the stripiness, but also to keep it under control and looking natural. So that's our project today, and I hope you give it a go.